Okay.
Welcome to Ashlyn's Toy Channel. Just to let you know, everybody, hi. So if you want to talk to me, just say, excuse me, okay? Because I am a really good master builder. And I don't want anyone interrupting when I'm talking, okay? Where's the blue piece? I'm making something. Just to let you know, we can have purses in this video. Clear brushes. Also in this video. And lions also in this video. So let's stand right here. Oh. You can totally lay on the bed. Let's put him right here in the sleeping area. Oops, he falls. So let's pretend he's walking into bed. Okay, everyone, let's get this video started. The dog kennel.
I gotta go get your brother's bottle ready.
Honey?
No, bottle.
Bottle?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, we're gonna finish this video when Mommy gets Roman and feeds him. Okay?